Hello YouTube. So a few days back, I did a review of the Mi Band HRX. I wouldn't argue to the fact that it is a very well built fitness band, but it lacks a little bit in the feature department. So what we have been doing from the start of this channel is, we dig around a little bit and try to find things which aren't possible. So what if I tell you, you could control your music player, your call, as well as WhatsApp using just the band? So having said that, without further delay, let's get this done. But before that, I would really urge you to subscribe to the channel because I'm in dead need to hit 1000 subscribers.
Firstly, you'll need to connect the band to the phone via the Mi Fit app. It requires Bluetooth to be turned on, and this is basically the prerequisite for every step that I'm gonna tell you. So when it's done, head over to Profile and tap on Mi Band HRX. In the menu, you can see App Alerts. Tap on that. At the top, you'll have to give it permission to receive App Alerts. By the way, you can add only 5 apps to the list. Once it's done, this is how the notification would look like on your band. And yes, the screen is not big enough to display the name or the text. Similarly, in the same menu, you'll have incoming call. You need to turn that on and give it appropriate permissions. Leave everything else to default. After this, you'll be able to receive call on your band when someone calls you. And yes, it will display the number or the name if it's saved. After connecting your band to the phone, go to the profile section and tap on the band. At the bottom, you'll see the Bluetooth address. Note it down somewhere because you can't copy it. Once you have done that, download the Mi Band Music and Camera Control app from Play Store. I'll have the link below in the description. When you open the app, you have to type the Bluetooth address in the text box besides MAC. Then after that, just tap on the key at the bottom to connect. And voila, it's done. I have kept the settings as 1 tap to play pause, double tap for next, and triple tap for previous song. Okay, let me demonstrate that. So we are at the end of the video, and you could be currently seeing some other videos on my channel. Do watch them out and help me hit 1000 subs.